The winning captain. Now, it's not the individual thing, it's about the team. What a way to get there. And back-to-back wins, terrific achievement.
Unbelievable. I think before I say anything about the team, I must mention about the owner. The owner has been fantastic, absolutely fantastic, because he lets me do the things I want to do. Never interferes on who is going to play, who should I pick. He gives me the whole freedom to do whatever I want to. When we have a team, never says a word, even we lose, when it's exactly that. So extremely proud to have a owner like Mizan Bhai. Secondly, what I should tell about my team, so much of experience, so much of knowledge about the game. It's unbelievable. And then few youngsters, Rishad, Ridoy, Shanto. I'm very disappointed that I couldn't play Ariful. If he could have played, Bangladesh could have seen another superstar coming. I promise you, this guy is unbelievable. But yeah, very happy with the way that we played the game. We played very fair, we played hard, and that is the reason we are standing here.
You've made millions of your supporters all around this country very, very happy. They must be celebrating Borishal as with the rest of the country. A few words for your support.
Oh yes, absolutely. আমরা লাস্ট টাইমও জিতার পর বরিশাল আসতে পারি নাই। এখন পর্যন্ত 9 তারিখে ডিসাইড করেছি যে আসবো। তো আশা করি বরিশালে যারা আছেন সবাই থাকবেন আমাদেরকে ওয়েলকাম করার জন্য। তো সব যদি ঠিক থাকে এই 9 তারিখে ইনশাআল্লাহ আপনারা আমাদেরকে দেখতে পারবেন কাপ সহ।
Once again, congratulations, Kamin, and I request you to go and collect the check and the trophy.
Thank you.
The winner's trophy. Dutch Bangla Bank, Bangladesh Premier League T20 2025, the champions, Fortune Borishal, an award of 2 crores 50 lakh takas to be handed over by Mr. Asim Mahmoud Shoji Bhuya. It goes to Tamim Iqbal and the Fortune Borishal. They are the champions of the Dutch Bangla Bank BPL 2025.
জেমিনি সামনে লয় নি না এই যে না নিছে ভালো করছে